how to create a birthday photo shoot pictures like this and this with your phone using Google Gemini AI. It is so easy, like a minute, you've created your photo shoot. Now, if you have a birthday or you have someone that wants birthday photo shoot, that person does not need to go anywhere. He doesn't need to go to the studio. All he or she needs is just the picture. All you need is the picture of the person. Forget about what that person is wearing. Forget about how the hair looks. Just forget about certain things. What is important? The face. All right. So, with the face, Google Gemini AI will create a look-alike picture. Like you'll be looking so stunning with anything you describe, it will create it. Like how the birthday shoot usually look, very stunning, and the camera is high quality pictures that it uses. The outcome is top notch, quality is top notch. All right, so let me show you how you can do that in minutes with just your phone and your picture. All right, let's dive into it. Remember, if you have not subscribed, subscribe, guys, and give this video a thumbs up. If you have any question, feel free to drop it on the comment section. Let's dive into it. Let's go. So we do it together on my phone. So guys, the first thing you need to do is go to your chat GPT. All right, you can equally use Gemini to do this if you choose to, but I'm using chat GPT. Now I typed that chat GPT to give me a birthday photo shoot image prompt idea, and it gave me up to 5. Okay, you can see them: glamour indoor birthday shoot. So what I'll do is start with this first one. I will copy it. So when you highlight it, you copy it out. Once you copy it out, you take it to your browser, which of them, but I'm using Chrome. So you go to your Google and type in Google Gemini. All right, and it opens. Click on that first one. Once it opens, you sign in using your Google. I've signed into already. Okay, so once you sign in, you see where that plus is. You click on it. First thing you need to upload is picture. Okay, so you click on the plus, go to upload files, you click on photo, look for the picture, that picture of your face, picture of whoever you want to use, the face of the person. So I will be using my face. So I'll just go through my gallery to search for my face and key it in. Okay, so I'll be using any of this picture here for that. All right, so let's use this. Now my picture is in here already. What I need to do is type in, this is my face, my body, all right, and my face and body, and my face and body make a photo shoot. Then I will type in the prompt that I copied from ChatGPT. Now feel free to read that prompt first before copying it. If there's any adjustment when you paste it here, please feel free to adjust it before you click on the arrow. Now I'm asking Gemini to give me 3 different birthday photo shoots. Then I'll paste in that particular prompt ChatGPT gives me. Okay, then I'll click on it this way. I'll have to wait for it to load. So when you click on that arrow, you wait for it. It takes time, but it doesn't get up to 5 minutes. So you just give it time and allow it to load and generate the picture for you. Now, this is my first image. You can see. Now, these are 3 different videos, all right? But what Gemini did here is they combined it together, but I do not like it. So the next one I will be creating, you can see the top quality. Now, they did not create exactly my face, but they created a look-alike my face, which I can use for my birthday shoots. Okay, is a look-alike. All right, when you go to studio after makeup, you don't look the same. Okay, so this is the second prompt. I copied the second prompt. Let's see what it gives me, but first let me save this. Okay, up there is where you save. Go it has been downloaded. Now for me to start again, I'll click on that three lines by the left hand side, the three lines, and start a new chart. Okay, let it be fresh. Then I'll go through the process again, upload the picture that I want to use. This time around, I want one picture. I do not want three pictures at a time. The way it came out, I don't like it. So let's try something different. So I will look for that picture again and click on the picture. Click on the picture, and I will be using this one. Once I click on it, not two, I'll take out one. I'm taking out one. You can actually use this to combine pictures if you choose to. You can combine two pictures, maybe two different people. You can make Gemini to do, to hug, make them hug each other or do something, whatever. It is possible. So this is the second the picture I chose. So I will equally type in, this is my my face, my body. Make a photo shoot pictures for me. Okay, so the once I type in that, I will paste that second prompt I got, the second image prompt I got from ChatGPT. I will equally paste it here, okay, and see what it generates for me. All right, so this is my face, my body. Make birthday photo shoot. This is the second prompt ChatGPT gave to me. So after going through it, if I think it's okay for me, if I have any adjustment, I will do that. If I have any, you can see I want to type photo shoot of a beautiful woman standing. Yeah. So next thing, the arrow by the right, you click on it and wait for some seconds. The image comes. Okay, so let's see what Gemini gives me this time around. Now Gemini is a new Google improved AI. Okay, it creates the functions are so many. Okay, but for this particular video, we are looking at how it can create pictures for us. Any kind of picture you want this particular AI to do for you, it does that with ease. So we are waiting to see what Gemini got for us. See how beautiful the picture will turn out to be. So this is it. Not bad. This is beautiful for a birthday shoot. But this shape is not my shape. So I can actually tell, for them to adjust the shape. All right. The face is looking more like me, but the shape is not, I don't like the shape. Okay, so whatever you want Gemini to do, you want it so curvy, I would love you to specify on how you want it. Okay, if you specify you want it so curvy, they will give you a curvy shape. All right, now this is the third prompt. I think this will be the last one I'll be checking out to see what it gives us. Okay, so this is the third prompt, image prompt that ChatGPT gave us. Same thing, click on the plus and you get your image first. Okay, when you get your image first, you upload it. All right, the same process will pass through is what we are doing all over. So feel free to keep trying until you get the particular one that suits you. When ChatGPT gives you the prompt, if you want your prompt to be in any area, feel free to tell ChatGPT that prompt should be more of outdoor, beach, those kind of prompts. They will give it to you. Okay, so the same thing. This is my face, my body. Make photo shoot, birthday photo shoot of a beautiful girl, and all the rest. Then you paste your prompt. Okay, let's paste birthday shoot XOT. So the next thing is for me to paste the prompt the third prompt, okay, that ChatGPT gave to me. Exactly what you want is what the app will do for you. Okay, the good thing about this, you don't even need to go and make your hair, makeup, do that. All you need is your face, a normal picture of you using your phone to snap your face, and you upload it and it gives you a perfect birthday photo shoot. Okay, so I've pasted the prompt, the third prompt that ChatGPT gave to me. That is what I have here. All I need to do right now is go through it. If it gives me what I want, then we can proceed. So I've clicked on the arrow. All right, so let's wait to see what it gives me this time around. I hope it turns out beautiful. Wow, this is beautiful. Now, this is my face. Let's analyze it together, okay? So this is my face on the left hand side and what Gemini gave to me. Now looking at it, what are the difference? You can see there is similarity. If I should make up, this is my original face without makeup. If I should make up, there's every possibility I'll be looking like what is on the picture. You know, it gives you a similar picture you can use. Now, there are ways you can go around this. You can actually create a picture of that will not be showing your face so clearly. If for any reason your picture is not coming out like this, all right, your face is not giving you what you want, you can create picture like this one down here. The lady putting on black, you know, you don't see the face, but it's a birthday picture. So you can actually work with this one. It is not showing the face clearly. All right. So it can go as birthday picture. All right. And looking at me in this birthday, I feel good. All right. The body size is not my size, but the face is, you know, similar to mine. It's good to go. All right. So, but if you feel it's not giving you the power, it will not give you the exact, but it will give you similar pictures. So, if you do not want to go with similar pictures, you can go with pictures where, you know, you do not need to show. Maybe a cake will be covering it, or flowers, or, you know, beautiful things will be covering it. So, feel free to, you know, use ChatGPT, get a proper prompt, all right, for your picture. Then Gemini gives you a perfect picture. It gives you a perfect picture for your photo shoot, for your birthday celebrations, you know. It makes it so easy. So that is how you create your own birthday photos. You don't even need to go to the studio anymore. All you need is just your picture and you describe what you need, and Gemini AI, Google Gemini will give you a perfect birthday photo shoot. So, guys, if you have any question, feel free and drop it on the comment section. Okay, that is how you feel very easy, like a minute, palm, it comes out. Now, it's not just photo shoot, there are other things Gemini does. All right, but basically for this video, I'm just making it for you to know you can actually create your own photo shoot, your own birthday photo shoot yourself. It is so easy. Okay.